So I'm here with Aya.
Yay! Hi!
Aya's going to help me with some of my terrible Japanese because I'm awful.
No, please don't say terrible.
I'm terrible. So I thought maybe we could start with some basics. How do I say hello?
It's Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Good.
Konnichiwa. Okay. And are there any kind of like casual hellos? Like I've heard some people like mushi mushi.
Moshi moshi.
Moshi moshi.
So this phrase is used when people are talking on the phone.
Oh, okay. Okay. So would I say konnichiwa to my friends? And would I also say it to like a business partner? So it's just a very universal hello.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's good to know. Another one. I've been bumping into a lot of people and I don't know how to say sorry or pardon or excuse me.
That's very useful word we can use. It's just say Sumimasen.
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 Sumimasen. And that's like, oh, sorry. Okay.
Yes.
That's good to know.
Or when people ask something,
Okay.
so we start this phrase. We start with this phrase. Sumimasen, blah blah.
Sumimasen. So it's like, excuse me.
Yes.
Okay. Sumimasen.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you speak English?
英語は話せますか?
Okay. Say that again.
Sorry, it's too long. So
Okay.
how about so 英語できますか?
Ego tekimasta.
Okay.
And that's it. Ego
できますか?
tekimasta.
英語 is English.
Ego.
英語.
Ego is English. Okay. That's a really handy one. How do I tell someone my name is Dan?
So 私はダンです.
Watashi wa Dan des.
です.
What does the des?
This is so formal expression.
Oh, okay. Okay. So like a positive expression.
Yes.
Okay. Another one. I don't understand.
So we say Wakarimasen.
Wakarimasen.
Wakarimasen. Just do that.
Just do that. Okay, that's fine. So when in a restaurant, how do I ask for the receipt or the bill?
So we say okaike.
Okaike. Okaike. Okay. Also in the restaurant, how do I ask for a table for two?
So just say 二人.
Sorry, is that
二人.
tari?
二人 means two people.
Oh, tari. Okay, in a restaurant.
Yes.
Okay. And how do I say thank you?
It's very easy. It's arigato.
Arigato.
It's similar to alligator.
Alligator.
Yes.
Arigato. Okay. And you were saying earlier, there was like a bit on the end. Arigato gai
ございます.
gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So that longer phrase is more polite expression.
Oh, okay.
Like the difference between thank you and thank you very much.
Oh, okay. But can I get away with saying
Yes.
arigato?
Yes. Or the easiest one is just say domo.
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 Domo. I'm going to remember that one.
Domo is similar to thanks.
Okay.
It's
domo.
very casual
And
phrase.
is that okay to use? Like,
Yes. Yes.
Domo.
Yes.
I'm going to use that one. That's my favourite. So yeah, are there any other phrases that you think us tourists should know that would get us through quite easily?
So how about good morning?
Yes, that'd be really good.
So it's very easy to remember. So it's say Ohio.
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 Like the state in America?
Yes.
Ohio.
Yes.
Okay. That's a good one. What about yes and no?
Yes is hi.
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 Like hi.
Hi.
And
no?
no is iie.
Ie.
Ear.
Ie. So shall we talk about bowing?
Yes.
Okay, so there's varying degrees.
Yes. It's the meaning is totally different from degrees.
Okay.
So I will show an example.
Okay. Should I stand as well?
Yes.
Okay.
So So in business situation, when two people meet,
Yep.
so we bow shallowly like this, 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
Yes.
Okay.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Like that. And as for 60 degrees,
60.
middle one. So when we express thankness
Yeah.
to someone, so like thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
And there was a third one.
Yes. The third one is very serious one. It's 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Yes.
Okay.
So can you imagine in which situation people use this?
Probably
Bowing.
you've done something really wrong. So you're like, I'm so sorry.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
To apologize.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Like I'm very sorry.
I'm very sorry.
Yes.
They're very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.